Start by logging in to the admin account. Once we're logged in, on the upper right hand corner we will select My Account. On the left hand side you will find all the account menu, but we will select Roles and Permissions. A default user role is already available. Click on the green Add New Role button. Here you can create different roles for every department in your company. We'll start by typing in a role name. Next, check mark the boxes of the permissions you wish to grant. Once selected, we'll scroll to the bottom and click on the Save Role button. If you need to adjust any of the roles, just click on the blue Edit button. Once you're finished editing, make sure to hit the Save Role button again. Next, on the left hand side, we will click on Company Structure. Here we can see all active users. To add a team, we will click on the blue Add Team button. Here we will add the name and a description, then click Save. To add a member, click on the blue Add User button. Here, go ahead and add all the necessary fields, including their user role, their title, and their contact information. At the bottom, you'll also want to make sure that the status is active and then click Save. If you want to add them to a team, click and drag the member to the desired team. The user will end up receiving an email with a link to accept the invitation to the company account. Once accepted, they will be added and they will be able to log in. You can also add new members through the Company Users tab. Just click the green Add New User and then fill out all the required fields. Once completed, click the green Save button. To remove or disable an account, click on the red Manage button next to the member. Then click Set as Inactive. If you need to reactivate an account, click on the blue Show Inactive Users. Click on the red Manage button and select Set as Active. Finally, Company Profile shows you the main details of your account, including your sales rep and any available payment methods that you have on hand.